We just finished shooting a video on how to make the pineapple upside down cake shot. And guys, you're gonna wanna try this one. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. In today's video, we're gonna make a pineapple upside down cake shot. I have not had one of these since college, and as you can tell by the gray in the beard, that was a bit ago. I remember liking it. I remember being insanely sweet, and when you look at the ingredients, there's not a lot of alcohol in it. Let's give it a go anyway. So we got a shaker here full of ice. We're gonna add to it an ounce of vanilla vodka. You can also use whipped vodka. I have both. In this case, the vanilla's almost gone. Let's get a little closer to emptying this thing out. We have 1 ounce of our vanilla vodka. We do 1 ounce of pineapple juice. I use canned stuff. Fresh is always better. For a shot, canned is just fine. A little explosion there, that's all right. 1 ounce of our 100% pineapple juice, courtesy of Dole. They're not a sponsor, but you could be if you want. Go ahead and shake that up. Once it's nice and cold to the touch, we fill up our shot glass. I used a bigger shot glass for this so you can hopefully see the effect here in a moment. No, maybe I didn't. All right, I thought it was bigger. Let's go ahead and hang on. A little off the top there because we still have to add our grenadine. Fun fact, I've said it before, grenadine, especially this stuff out of the bottle, is actually pomegranate juice, not cherry juice. We go ahead and we add just a little bit here. Grenadine is heavy, it's very sugary, it sinks to the bottom right away. Hence, we have our pineapple upside down cake. Cherry on the bottom, pineapple on top. Let's go ahead and give it a shot, guys. Cheers. Super sweet, super delicious. I could drink about 10 of these. It'd probably give me a hell of a hangover, but that went down very easy. So guys, next time you're at the bar, you're looking for a shot to do with your friends, or you're at home, why don't you try out the pineapple upside down cake? I think you'll enjoy it. Cheers. That was actually delicious.